Hello everyone, welcome to Artspot. Here we are showing you a basic beginner's kit. We have electronic weighing scale, mixing cups and 2:1 ratio resin and hardener, 200 grams resin and 100 grams hardener. Pigment paste full size which is 35 grams, 100 grams of fireglass, 5 keychains golden and 5 silver. It also includes 2 tussles and isopropyl alcohol, 4 sheets of gold foil and 4 sheets of silver foil. Then we have this handmade pendant mold. It can be used for earrings, pendants and tasbih hangings. You also get a bookmark mold, medium size 5.5 inch. It also includes the 2 pairs of gloves, ice cream sticks, skewer sticks and toothpicks. It includes an agate 5-inch coaster and set of 12 mica powders. It also includes a sandpaper and yes, it also includes a flame torch. This is the kit you can use to start your resin art business. The price will be mentioned in the description. Thank you for joining. Hope you liked the video.